So you might be in a weird situation where for some reason your Instagram posts or your Instagram stories are just not loading up. Now they're probably not uploading or they're not, posting or whatever the case is, and this can happen for a lot of different reasons. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is just going through and making sure you have some sort of Wi-Fi connection or some sort of internet connection. If you're watching this video on the same phone that you're uploading, you probably don't have a problem with your Wi-Fi or internet, but if you do, go ahead and fix that problem. That is going to be the number one reason why you're running into this issue, and that is going to be the problem for probably a vast majority of people. So just go through, make sure you're not running into that particular problem, and that may end up fixing it for you. Now the other thing, if you're posting a video or massive amounts of photos or videos and your Wi-Fi connection is poor or your internet connection is poor, it could take a long time to post those specific photos or videos. So go through, if you're uploading, just take your time, just make sure you're not exiting out of that specific, photo or video or whatever the panel that you're on before they're done uploading. So just make sure that's the case as well. Now the other thing, you may have to go through and actually update your Instagram application. So make your way over to your app store, just like this. Click on the search button, and what you're going to want to do is basically just search up Instagram. So type in Instagram just like this as you normally would. And what you're going to want to do is you want to see if there's an update available for your Instagram app. For a lot of people out there, there might be, and all you're going to have to do here is basically just update your Instagram application. And that right there is probably going to be the main thing you can do. Update Instagram, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that's not working, you may want to go ahead and make your way over to a website that's very similar to either downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com. Those types of websites, because what they're basically going to do is they're basically going to show you a bunch of different things that are going on and what's down or what's up. And if Instagram is down or Meta is down or Facebook is down, you don't really have too many choices. You're basically going to have to go through and essentially, wait until Instagram fixes the problems, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, not me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.